If you want to make your document easier to read, cleaner, or just formatted the way you need, adjusting line spacing in Microsoft Word is one of the quickest things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust line spacing in Microsoft Word step by step. So whether you want single spacing, 1.5 spacing, or double spacing, you'll be able to do it in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, highlight the text that you want to change. You can click and drag over a paragraph, a few lines, or even your entire document if you want the spacing changed everywhere. If you only want to adjust one section, make sure only that part is selected. Once your text is highlighted, go up to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. The Home tab is where most of your basic formatting tools are located, including font options, paragraph settings, and spacing controls. Now look over in the paragraph group. Here you'll see a button called Line and Paragraph Spacing. It usually has an icon with horizontal lines and arrows, and this is the tool you need for changing spacing quickly. Click that button and a drop-down menu will appear with several spacing choices. You'll usually see options like 1.0 for single spacing, 1.15, 1.5, and 2.0 for double spacing, along with other paragraph spacing settings depending on your version of Word. Simply choose the spacing value you want. If you want a standard clean look, 1.0 is single spacing. If you want your document to look a little more open and readable, 1.5 is a great choice. And if you need more space between every line, especially for school papers or drafts, 2.0 gives you double spacing. As soon as you click your preferred value, Word will apply the new spacing to the selected text immediately. You can see the change right away, and if it doesn't look quite right, you can always go back and choose a different setting until it matches what you need. If you want to adjust spacing for the entire document, you can simply press Ctrl A on your keyboard first to select everything, then repeat the same steps from the Home tab. That way, the line spacing changes across the whole file at once. This is especially useful if you're formatting a report, assignment, essay, or business document and want everything to stay consistent. And that's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you've learned how to adjust line spacing in Microsoft Word using the built-in paragraph tools. It's a simple skill, but it makes a big difference in how professional and readable your document looks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.